Hello, I'm Ricki Lee, and today on the watch list, I'm joined by Stefan Michaelides, CEO of Sterling Digital PLC. The company has announced the purchase of ASIC mining servers as it advances its digital infrastructure strategy, positioning itself to support both Bitcoin mining and AI compute workloads as it moves toward first production in 2026. Stefan, welcome to the watch list.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
So, Stefan, you've said Sterling is building infrastructure, not just installing miners. What excites you most about this stage of development?
Yeah, I mean, Sterling is not a typical mining company in the sense that we're buying miners and then hosting them on grid services where we purchase long-term power contracts. We're actually generating the energy ourselves. So that's what we mean in terms of building the infrastructure. So from the ground up, we're taking natural gas out of the ground, turning that natural gas at the source into electricity, and using that electricity to power our Bitcoin mines. I think the exciting thing is seeing it all come together because it's a conceptual idea that's now being physically executed. So it's nice to see it all come together.
Amazing. And so the ability to support both Bitcoin mining and AI workloads offers real flexibility, right? So how do
Yeah.
you see that optionality shaping the company over the next few years?
I think our core focus is still Bitcoin mining. We're not moving away from that. But designing our infrastructure from the ground up to support different types of high performance compute, that optionality gives us the resilience to switch potentially between different workloads depending on the returns at a given time. So I think it's not so much about chasing trends, more about future-proofing the company.
Amazing. And speaking of the future, as you move towards first production in Q2 2026, what milestone are you most looking forward to seeing with your team?
Getting energized, so having it all completed, turning on, mining our first Bitcoin, when the site starts hacking, that's always the greatest milestone, seeing it all come to fruition. I think everyone's really excited about that, and we're very, very close to having that come true.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Stefan.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Evcharisto. Once again, that is Stefan Michaelides, CEO of Sterling Digital PLC. For more on the company's digital infrastructure strategy, visit sterlingdigital.com. That's all for this episode of The Watch List. I'm Ricki Lee. Make good choices today.